BTC broke below 70,000 and the entire market is furiosia. In this video, I'll show you a quick way how I took advantage of an arbitrage opportunity that I found on a BTC. Now, this I found on a wrapped BTC in Ethereum network. Now, to do this, the first thing I did was I first off went to my CoinMarketCap, and as you can see on the CoinMarketCap, here I confirmed the current price of BTC to be 69,321. So after confirming this, the next thing I did was navigate back to my Trust wallet, and then when I'm back on my Trust wallet, I clicked on the Discover. Now the Discover, the next thing I did was I went to Valeris Network, Valeris Network, Valeris.network rather, and now hit enter. Now once I'm here, I'm already connected. As you can see from here. Let me go to my wallet. You can see my wallet is already connected here. And if you have not connected your wallet or do not know how to connect your wallet, a link will be provided at the top of the screen to show you. It leads to a video that shows you how to connect your wallet to Valeris Network. Now once that is out of the way, the next thing you want to do is click on the menu and then go to swap. Once we get to swap, you can change the token you have selected at the bottom here, change it um to wrapped BTC. So we'll do WBTC. Make sure you're on Ethereum network. Just make sure you're on Ethereum network to do this. So now as we select the BTC, let's say I want to buy about say 3,000 USD. What I don't have much to buy up to one BTC, so I would do say about 3,000. Let me increase the number. Let me do like five because this is an arbitrage opportunity, so I want to take good advantage of it. So the next thing to do is to click on swap. I'm taking advantage because I don't know when I'll get it like this anytime soon. So I click on confirm and allow the process to complete, and then we're done. Close. So as you can see here, this it has generated this quantity of BTC for me. But the interesting part will be when we head back to our Trust wallet. And then we will see what value. Remember what we used here? We used about 5,000 USDT. What that's what we used to buy these. So let's go back to the Trust wallet and come here. Click at the home. Just give it a few seconds. I'm trying to refresh the page. Just wait for it. Let's just give it a few seconds. This would update on the screen here for us. We do not even need to refresh it for it to update. Just give it a few seconds, please. A little patience, guys. And as you can see, what we have here is 5,486 wrapped BTC. Now, this we have just made about $400 from just arbitraging BTC, and this is mainly because the market is going crazy for Furiosa everywhere. Everyone, there's red everywhere. BTC fell below 70, so I guess maybe they sold way more on this platform than they are selling outside. So that is why you can see the price discrepancy, and we've taken very good advantage of it. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the like button if you like the video, if it has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can drop them on the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Until next time, stay good.